Hey, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. He wanna feel it like Megan Thee Stallion. Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week. I gotta switch up my hair every day. I ain't no hoe, but I do be on going. I promise my niggas gon' love me the same. I'm a hot girl, don't try it at home.
Hey everyone, you know it's your girl, What It Do with Sue. My name is Sue, if you don't know. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're a returner, thanks for holding your girl down and coming back. Thank you for coming back. So today what we're going to be discussing that I have on the title is my wash and go. So I'm going to show y'all the process of what I do with my wash and goes when it comes to what shampoos, conditioners I use, leave-ins, my detangling process, and my finger coils. Sometimes I gotta be throwing those in there because for my hair. So all in all, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So my video is about this wash and go. So let's get to this video so y'all can see what my hair be looking like. Well, how my hair be looking like this. So let's get rolling. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair, very, very dry. I'm singing to Meg Thee Stallion, just acting up to Savage. So my hair is dry, as I said before, through the gel. So I had a couple of days just me in a ponytail. Now I'm gonna wash it all out. Okay, here I'm just wetting my hair. As you can tell, just trying to rinse off all the gel that I had in my hair for a couple of days. And then I'm lifting up my hair as well, just so the water can penetrate deep down into my roots, because it's good to do by section. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, now here is the Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. So this is by Shea Moisture, and then they have a whole entire line. So this line is specifically for people who are having trouble with moisture in their hair. And obviously you see me just acting up, so just don't mind me. But all in all, I'm just being a goofball. But here I'm just applying it to my scalp and just rubbing it in. And it's gonna suds up later on, but I'm just trying to make sure that I get to the base of my hair. And I'm showing you the back side so you guys can see I get into my scalp. And also I do different layers because sections are very, like, you guys have to make sure you do sections with your hair. And then I'm gonna be using this bristle massage type of object. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's really good. So what I use that just massage into my hair, because with this it promotes hair growth and because it intensifies your hair follicles. So make sure you massage your hair when you use this, because when you do it, it feels really good and it helps a lot. Okay, so what I'm doing is splitting my hair down the middle so I can start putting the conditioner. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure when you are putting conditioner in your hair, make sure you section off your hair, because if you put it all at once, some places will be dry, some will be moisturized or have some conditioner in it, and you want to make sure that every single strand is coated with it. So I use a Manuka Honey Referral Oil Conditioner, just as the same brand as the shampoo, just because I think when you use shampoo and conditioners, you should just use the same brand so they go hand in hand. So as you see, I'm just raking it in, and then I was doing the pray method to also distribute my hair products, just so it can all be even. And with me raking my hair, it just creates less tangles, and since your hands are softer than these bristles, you can take out the knots, and then it's really good. So that's why I just use my fingers at first to comb it. And then as you can see now, I am just sectioning off little by little and raking in the products. So each section of my hair has conditioner and no one is left behind. You know, no one can be left behind here. So here I am just putting the conditioner and just going section by section to make sure that every single part of my hair does be infused with the conditioner. Then here I am doing the same thing with the other side. I'm just raking in the conditioner and doing part by part. lifting up each section just to make sure that the conditioner is on each part of my hair. As you can see, my curls are looking so juicy. They're looking defined. They're just looking hydrated. They're just looking great. So make sure everyone you do this, doesn't matter what brand of shampoo and conditioner you use, just make sure you section off your hair. When you section off your hair, everyone gets all the types of love. And just Millie rocking over here and just doing the absolute most. So this is the comb that I use. I got it at CVS and it's like a water. It's good to use in the water, and I really like this comb because I feel like it doesn't pull on my hair too much, and it does detangle. It gets the tangles out really easily, and I don't really lose that much hair. So I honestly love this comb. So I'm just used it for both parts of my hair. So I do the conditioner and then I just comb it out after, just so everything is combed out and no tangles are there. I'm just washing out all the product, and then we're going to transition out of the shower and into our leave-in conditioner from Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I personally love this leave-in. This leave-in feels so good on my hair. Sometimes I just use the leave-in by itself and just be out the door. But for this time, I'm going to just show you exactly the proper process I do. So with leave-ins, make sure you put it right when you get out of the shower so it can penetrate your hair and really absorb the product. Here, section by section, as I always been saying throughout the video, it just promotes your hair just to get the even distribution of the product. And just look how great it looks. Come on guys, you guys can, I know it's a lot of product because my hair's kind of thick, but look at these curls, you know, curls for the girls, looking bomb. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just showing y'all my hair. I had to put water in it because my hair gets dry really fast, which is the part of having low porosity, but all in all, you just gotta learn. So now I'm just finding the product because I have a whole basket of hair products, so sometimes it'd be taken from me when you find it. So it's the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, and this milk is so bomb. Like, it smells great, and when I put it in my hair, it just defines it and makes it soft too. So I'm just showing y'all, only putting not too much of it because I already have the leave-in from earlier, and also later on I'm gonna put another product, so I don't want it to mesh too much and weigh down my hair. But as you can see, I'm putting it section by section, so each part of my hair that usually gets dry, which is usually that middle area, gets dry. So I want to make sure I put the product right in there. So here I have the Curl Maker by Camille Rose as well. This product smells amazing and it looks kind of like gel that's coming out, but it's not a gel per se. It's a styling product, but it looks really good. It's really nice consistency, sticky, but at the same time it does make my curls really defined, and I just love how it feels. So it goes hand in hand, and my hair just smells bomb at the end of the day. So I'm just raking it in, especially on the top of my hair, because that's where the curls that everyone's going to mostly see. So I want to make sure most of that product is on top, but as well as distributed everywhere else. So now what I'm doing is sectioning just the front part of my hair so I can do finger coils. So when I was younger, I used to get my hair straightened, and they used to flat iron the front of my hair a lot with a lot of heat. So that section of my hair has it's a lot looser. Here, I'll try to show you, but finger coiling does help my curls get back into the formation. So you're gonna see me do that throughout the whole video, and I just do it to both sides of my hair. So I just put it around my finger and I just twirl it. So I can section it off by just twirl it, and I've done it so many times, so I just know to what point I think it's gonna get defined. So I just do little tiny pieces so every single curl gets the product that I put on there, and then since it's wet, it'll be really defined. So you just see me do that throughout the video. Now this is what it looks like. This is just a little trial, but this is what the finger coils do. My hair is still wet, so when it gets dry, you get to see the actual difference. So here's my next favorite part, is picking my hair. When you pick your hair, especially at the roots, that's where I get my volume. Even though my hair is already big as it is, but I still like to pick it out so my hair looks a little bit bigger than it seems. So I love picking out my hair, and I use that from the bottom and just pick every different section so my hair can look poppin'. So these are my results of my wash and go. My hair feels fluffy, does not feel weighed down. I don't have a lot of products in it. I try to go very light because most of the products that I recently started buying are lightweight products because once I started doing more research on my hair, I realized lightweight products actually benefit for me, are more beneficial for me. So I started to buy more lightweight products, which is the ones that I used earlier when I did my wash and go. So these are my final results. I'll show you a little 360. Bang, 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 bang. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully I can get to where Sasha's at. This is Sasha, guys. I want my hair to get like her. Let me see. I'll tilt her up. See, like so gorgeous. Like her hair is flawless. That's why I want my hair goes to be. So that's why I specifically bought this. Because one is just a beautiful tapestry, and also is like a motivational inspiration for me. So until next time, everybody, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you like any of these products that I used earlier when I recorded earlier in my video, and if not, tell us why it didn't work for you. Maybe it might be the same reasons some other females or males had the same type of struggles. So leave a comment down below, and I will see y'all next time on What It Do, Sue.
Want it, then I copy, ayy, yeah, bitches poppin', I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he eat it, ayy.